Every weekend, the road calls, and we respond with open hearts and eager spirits. In our trusty VW T4, we embark on a quest to unveil the hidden tales of the UK, the places often overlooked, where whispers of history linger in the air, abandoned tin mines, shadowy caves, untamed coastlines. Each destination holds a story waiting to be told. This journey transcends mere van life. It embodies adventure, ignites curiosity, and invites us to step beyond the beaten path. Here, we uncover the rich history that has shaped these secret corners of the UK. From the serene stillness of dawn to the exhilarating thrill of discovery. We explore one weekend at a time, inviting you to join us on this remarkable journey. So if you crave inspiration, the thrill of mystery, and the forgotten stories woven into our landscapes, subscribe and become part of our adventure. Because the most extraordinary journeys are not just found, they are created.